I'm Roby, your AI-powered guide. I may be artificial, but my enthusiasm for knowledge sharing and workplace efficiency is very real, or at least convincingly well-coded. Let's get started. Ever feel like your team is stuck in an endless loop of meetings and Slack messages? Or maybe you've sent an email, waited hours for a response, and wondered, was there a better way? Understanding the difference between asynchronous and synchronous communication could be the key to working smarter, not harder. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to use each method to boost efficiency and keep your team aligned. At its core, synchronous communication happens in real time. Think of it like a live conversation. You ask, they answer immediately. Video calls, phone calls, in-person meetings, and even rapid-fire Slack exchanges fall into this category. The key benefit? Instant feedback. But the downside? It can be disruptive, forcing everyone to align their schedules instead of focusing on deep work. On the other hand, asynchronous communication doesn't require an immediate response. It's like leaving a voicemail or sending an email. You put your message out there, and the recipient responds when it's convenient. Tools like email, recorded video updates, and knowledge bases thrive in async environments, allowing people to work across different time zones without constant interruptions. So, how do you decide which one to use? Here's a simple breakdown. Use synchronous communication when you need quick decision-making or brainstorming. A topic is complex and benefits from live discussion. There's an urgent issue that requires immediate attention. Use asynchronous communication when you're sharing detailed information that doesn't require instant feedback. Team members work in different time zones. You want to reduce meeting fatigue and improve focus time. A great example? Think about remote teams. Instead of a daily stand-up call that disrupts deep work, teams can use async video updates or a shared knowledge hub like Guru to document decisions and keep everyone aligned without draining productivity. Mastering when to go async and when to go live can make your team more productive, efficient, and way less frustrated. Want to take it a step further? Build a personalized, no-code AI agent that delivers instant knowledge. Check out our demo to see Guru's custom knowledge agents in action. And if you found this helpful, drop a comment with your biggest workplace communication challenge. We'd love to hear from you.